So like top 3 recommendations for easier markets.
For easy markets, so there will be, to be honest, I don't know, but I know the biggest market. What I do generally, I check by GDP, I check all the country by GDP. So for example, I exclude US really quickly because US is super
Very
complicated.
complicated, yeah.
And really like.
But still,
strange and
if
weird,
you know your things, you can make some spot.
Yeah. Still.
Yeah,
Obviously,
yeah.
there is some game everywhere to be made, But for example, a market that I really like, and I will, if today I need to launch a new website, I will most probably go on Poland.
Poland.
Because I think Poland is really growing as an economy with a lot of stuff and no big players right now in Poland. There's no like super huge websites and everything. I will not go on English markets overall because I think English markets are like over targeted, and I think SEO is overall easier on other type of markets, and all the Asian markets with weird characters. So for example, I worked a lead at Japan, I think it was back in a long time ago and everything, and it was so weird. Everything is weird in terms of marketing, in terms of Google algorithm and everything.
And I was having a conversation with Charles one day. Charles even said that there is a cultural shift as well in Japan.
I think so. And Japanese people, they're like really kind of obedient and everything. So
Yeah.
I know that we were working in Japan, and the prime minister, the law was like super unclear about gambling in Japan. And the prime minister told, just a reminder to every Japanese people, is illegal and you shouldn't do it, even if the law is not super clear and everything, you shouldn't do it. And as soon as the guy said that, the prime minister said that, there were like a huge decrease in volume, huge decrease in staff, and no more people that want to write about that want to work as the Japanese people. So it's the time where we stopped to work on these markets because it was coming, too different, too complicated, illegal and everything.
Okay, so Asia is one, Poland is one, Asian markets, Poland.
Yeah.
What else? Like one more.
But to be honest, all the Russian, I will not do it personally because it's like too much aggressive in terms of spam and everything.
All the USSR market, in fact.
Yeah, exactly. I say US, but Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, all these type of markets, I will not go for it because it's like
very competitive.
That's their own markets, let's not play with that. To be honest, I think European markets overall, they're really good.
But aren't they very competitive, like Germany and stuff?
Yeah, it is, but there is some stuff to be made, there is some opportunities. I think perhaps like something like Netherlands are really interesting, money-wise it's super good. Yeah, it's competitive, but money-wise it's good, So if you get like, one deposit and it make you 500 or 1,000 every time, it's a good deal generally to go in this type of markets.